Hello everyone, Okechibu here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to add a featured image to your blog post. Now, before we get started, what is featured image? Now, looking at my screen here is a blog article. This image you are seeing here is what is called featured image. Now, it is the image that identifies a particular article, probably on the sidebar like you can see here, or when you open the home page of your website, your blog, you see the images attached to a particular article. That image that people will see first, like this, before they open the article. So let me open the home page of this website so that you can see what I am talking about. All right, so you can see when you open this image, this website rather, you can imagine how this website will look like if these images are not here. So these are images that identifies the article that people will see before they go ahead to open that article in full. Now, one other important reason why you need to have featured image on your article is because when you share this content, your article on social media like Facebook, on X, which is formerly Twitter, on LinkedIn, or any other social media platform. So this image is what will appear on the social media platform where you shared that content, so that it makes it easy for people to see it visually before even going to read. So having a featured image in your article is very, very important, and that is what we are going to learn in this short tutorial. Now, I have this article I have written here that I want to publish. Okay, so now let me show you how this article will look like without a featured image. So I've actually written everything, I've saved it as a draft. So I want to show you how it's going to look like without featured image. Then you are going to see how it will appear when we now add a featured image to it. Now you can see how it's just appearing here like this without any featured image. Now let's go ahead and add the image, and you see how it will bring out the beauty of the article and make it more attractive and engaging to your readers. So what you need to do after you finish putting your content, the headline, highlighting everything, putting all the internal links and everything that you need to put, adding the tags that you need to add, now assigning the article to the particular category, because it's very important you assign your article to the category that it belongs to make it easy for people to read. Like when you see this website homepage, now you can see that these are different categories, so somebody can just go straight to where they are interested in, like as you can see at the top here. So that's why it's important you organize and arrange your articles in that way. Now, this is block editor, or the Gutenberg editor that I'm using. All right, so when you finish writing, so you come to this place where you have this post here. Okay, you come to this post and you see here set featured image. So you are going to click here, and now it will ask you to upload a featured image. Now, there are different ways to have your featured image created. You can either go to Canva and design a custom featured image, or you can also use a stock image to use as a featured image for your article. And the stock image option is what we are going to use now, but I also suggest that you can create a custom image for your featured image using Canva. All right, now either you go to some stock image website like Unsplash, Pixabay, and the rest of them, and search for the image you are going to use, relating to that that is related to the content that you are creating. Now we are creating a content that has to do with content marketing, right? Content marketing, that's what the article is all about. So how to create engaging content. Okay, so you can come to this website on Splash and search for one. Now this website, I've added this plugin here. There's a plugin here called Instant Images. So when you add it, it will pull in articles from Unsplash, from Pixabay and Pexels, so that you can just search them from here and directly insert it into your website without going to their individual website. So if you want to learn how I added this, you can comment in the comment section. I will do a short video on how to install and set up this feature. So we now come to the instant images. We have Unsplash here, we have OpenVerse, we have Pixabay, we have Pixel. All right, so we are going to search for the article we are writing is on content. Okay, we are writing on content, website content. So let's just search website content and see what we are going to find. Website content. So let's see. So if you are on Unsplash or Pixabay, this is exactly what you are going to see as well. So we are using a shortcut to do everything inside our WordPress website. So let me search for another keyword. Let me use content creation. Let's see what we are going to get. Looking for something that is a bit closer. Okay, let's see Pixabay and see what we can find there as well. Let me see website content. Okay, yeah. So we see something that is closer that we can use. Okay, so this is content marketing. So I think this is good. So let's use this. There are a whole lot of other ones here that are good. So it will just download inside our media library. All right, so all we need to now do is to put the keyword that we are using. So I have website content as one of the keyword I am using. So we also put content marketing. Then we remove this here. That's the title of the photographer. So we'll come here and put it. So if it's an image that you need to write caption, so let's say image credit. So we got it from Pixabay. So just put it that way. You can as well go ahead and write the full description of the person that owns the photograph. All right. So we'll click on set featured image. So remember, very important, click on set featured image. And what you are going to see that image is going to appear here. So this is the image we are going to be using now. So let's save this content. It's saved now. So let's reload and see how it's going to appear. Boom, you see? So this is the featured image. So this is what people will see when they share it on social media and also on our website here. All right, so this is very important that you do this. You can see all the information that we added. Okay, so next thing we are going to do now is to publish the article. So click on publish and then publish here. Yeah, so the article is published now. So let's reload and view the live article. All right, so this is the live article now. So if you share it using any of the social media platforms, it's going to carry this image and appear with it. Okay, so there you have it, how to add featured image to your blog article. And I also shared a video on how to add a link, make an anchor link to your content. So if you like that content, I will drop the link in the description and up here so you can also watch that video. All right, so thank you for taking time to watch this video. Please like, share and subscribe and let others find value in this content. Till I come again, see you and bye.